during Tyler Robinson's preliminary hearing. Whoa, this is crazy, folks. I got some footage I want to share with you and also give you updates on what happened today. Day 1 of 5 preliminary hearing, Utah. The accused Charlie Kirk assassin, Tyler Robinson, in court today. A lot of testimony. Families have arrived to the courthouse early this morning, including Erica Kirk, who was brought in a side door, the parents of Charlie Kirk, and the family of Tyler Robinson, the accused shooter, along with some crazy wackadoodle out front of the courthouse. I'm going to show you. I've compiled a bunch of clips. I'm going to show you Erica Kirk leaving the courtroom in the middle of the preliminary hearing. The prosecution presented 2 witnesses today, an agent and a police officer. More to come. And Lance Twiggs, the transgender boyfriend that was living with Tyler Robinson, is expected to give a statement. I'm going to share what I have here, and then we will further discuss. Check it.
Reports previous that are on that screen. So I guess I just need to clarify that, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
No, and I appreciate the clarification. It's important.
Fireworks, interesting stuff. We will continue to monitor the case of Tyler Robinson. Seen here. You see him there? Seen there with his defense attorney. And he is challenging the case. And hopefully they're wishing that the judge doesn't forward it over to trial. But if the judge does find probable cause, then Tyler Robinson will be arraigned on charges or a charge and have to make a plea. It will be interesting on what that plea will be. He's facing the death penalty. Erica Kirk, family of Charlie Kirk. Erica Kirk was sitting with the Charlie Kirk's parents on the one side of the courtroom, by the way. We'll see who else shows up with this, but we'll see if Erica Kirk continues to show up.
Good evening, everybody. It's the 6th of July. And this evening, I'm going to give you a recap of the day 1 of the Tyler Robinson preliminary hearing. Day 1 of the 5-day preliminary hearing for the Tyler Robinson case concluded in Provo, Utah, with the prosecutors presenting extensive evidence surrounding the September 2025 assassination of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. The purpose of the hearing is for the judge, Tony Graff, to determine whether probable cause exists to advance the case to a full criminal trial. Robinson, age 23, faces aggravated murder charges and a potential death sentence if convicted. Today's testimony began with former Utah Valley University police officer Chris Bagley, who responded to a rooftop immediately after the shooting. Bagley described finding distinct body depressions in the gravel consistent with a prone shooter, stating that the markings resembled a sniper pad, with impressions of elbows, knees, and feet. The prosecutors also presented campus police footage showing the shooter settling up on the roof, firing the single fatal shot to Kirk's neck, dropping from the rooftop and fleeing the scene. Judge Graff reviewed several graphic crime scene videos depicting the moment Kirk was struck. The judge visibly reacted to one of the clips, and due to the graphic nature of the footage, these videos were withheld from the public live stream. Additional surveillance footage showed Robinson entering and exiting his vehicle around the time of the shooting on September 10th and 11th at 2025. The courtroom atmosphere remained highly charged throughout the day. This was the first time Kirk's widow, Erica Kirk, and his parents, Robert and Catherine Kirk, sat in the same room as the defendant. The family briefly exited during graphic testimony. High-profile attendees included Donald Trump Jr. and Jack Posobiec, who were present in support of the Kirk family. Robinson's parents were seated several rows behind them. Security was significantly heightened, with heavy police presence and SWAT teams were present. Members of the public reportedly lined up as early as 1 a.m. this morning to secure limited seating. Defense attorney Jose Rodriguez focused on cross-examination on the UVU's initial security response and evidence collection procedures. The defense emphasized that an empty pistol holster seen near the courtyard was never recovered or logged. Robinson has not yet entered his formal plea. A prior defense motion to remove the death penalty as a sentencing option has been denied. The court recessed for the day and proceedings are continued for tomorrow. So this concludes today's narrative, and any follow-ups will be provided as they occur. So I will be back tomorrow, and we will see what day 2 of the Tyler Robinson preliminary hearing leads. As always, everybody stay safe, and for now, PI 56 is out.